interface test. Interface test. Okay. It is interface test. What is interface?
Collection of.
It is a collection of public static final variables and public abstract methods. Okay. Now here I am writing like this. Is it concrete method or abstract method? Is it concrete method or abstract method? Concrete method. Is it valid concrete method or invalid concrete method? Invalid. Invalid. If you want to make it valid, what are the changes required? Default keyword required. This is default method in interface. Okay. Is it valid class method or invalid class method? Valid class method. This is possible in interface, this second feature. Okay. Now here is it functional interface? Is it functional interface? No, it is not a functional interface. Now void show, is it functional interface? Yes. 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 Okay. Is it interface? No. Why? Abstract and not valid. Is it functional interface? Yes. Is it functional interface? No. Method also not valid. One abstract method there. Okay. Now, is it functional interface? Yes. It is functional interface, not to confirm functional interface. Okay. Now, equal to valid or invalid? You may answer in you can create object. In if you write like this, what will happen? One class created, anonymous class. Okay. That class implement. If you write created, that class implements test interface. See, if I write like this, if I write like this, if I write like this, one class created, but there is no class keyword. There is no class name. That is only anonymous class. That is only anonymous class. That class derived from test interface. Test interface inherited in that class. Implements keyword also not there. Whenever interface inherited in a class, then what we have to do? Overriding. What we have to write? Public void show. Is it compulsory public? Yes, it is compulsory. Is it interface rule or overriding rule? What is that? Overriding rule. Overriding rule. In superclass, public is there. Subclass, what is valid? Public only valid. Superclass protected is there? Protected valid, public valid. Superclass default is there? Default valid, protected valid, public valid. Superclass private is there? Overriding not possible. Every point important only. Every point. Object oriented programming, very depth, every point if you have to remember. Then only you can enjoy programming. Okay. Now if I open any program, anything, if I ask any word, you should be able to answer. Then only you are perfect in subject. Okay. Any program, if I open, any question, any word, if I ask, you should be able to answer. That type knowledge is required. Then only you will reach your target. Okay. Now, here, system.out.println welcome. Now, here t.show. Now, already given notes yesterday. This one, if you write like this, one class created. There is no class keyword. There is no class name. That class only anonymous class. Anonymous class is a one type of inner class. It is inside the method. Inside the method means which type of inner class? How many types of member class inner classes? 4. What are those? Member class, static member class, local class, anonymous class. But anonymous class also one type of inner class. But inside a method means is it member class or static member class or local class? Local class. It is local class type. Anonymous class as a local class type I created. Okay. It is anonymous class. Anonymous class is always subclass of a class or interface. It is subclass. Subclass of test interface. Okay. Now, here anonymous class object created. That object referred by T with that show method called. Okay. File, save. Java C demo.java. Java, 1 minute. It is E drive. E drive. Java C demo.java. Java demo. See, welcome. This is yesterday only you studied. Today. Now lambda expressions you are going to learn. About lambda expressions, some notes I given. What is lambda what is this feature allow what I given? See, this feature allows to write an anonymous method in anonymous class. Here anonymous method. Anonymous method means without name. Anonymous class without name. You studied anonymous class. Without class name, class created. That is anonymous class. You studied anonymous object. Without object reference, object created. That is anonymous object. Now you are learning new concept, anonymous method, which has no name. Without method name, method. That is anonymous method. Okay. Next point what I given?
Functional programming.
Anonymous methods are used in functional programming. Anonymous class and anonymous method, functional programming. Functional programming means function can be passed as a parameter. Function can be written. That is further sessions. While learning Stream API, you will understand. That point you will understand later. While teaching Stream API, last
Okay,
concept.
bye.
At that time you will understand. Next, that the definition I given, functional programming. That I'll explain further. Next, by using functional programming, we can reduce the code in number of lines. 10-20 lines program code in one line we can write. One line. That is also you will understand while teaching Stream API. Okay. Present you observe. Present little bit possible you observe. This total program, how many lines is there? 19 lines. 19 lines. Now you observe lambda expression. Now, no need to write like this. No need to write this one. No need to write this one. Just one arrow. No need to write open brace. No need to write close brace. Now this is lambda. See, file, save. Successfully compiles, executes. This is lambda. Okay. Now, first, instead of this one, I'll give another way. Suppose you already studied how many categories of methods? How many categories of methods? 4. What are those? Methods with arguments and with return value. Second one, methods with arguments and without return value. Third one, methods without arguments and with return value. Fourth one, methods without arguments and without return value. 4 categories of methods. Now here, integer add, which takes integer A, integer B. This is which category of method? With arguments, with return value. Okay. Here, with arguments, 2 integers I'm passing. With return value, 1 integer. Now this is a method with arguments and with return value. Now my question, this program I want to write as anonymous class. What we have to write? Answer. Anonymous class. I'm not saying lambda. Anonymous class. Now give me answer what we have to write.
Test.
All people have to answer. Test
T equal
T equal to new
new
test. After this,
public
test T equal to new test like this only, no? Like this. Next, we have to override method, no? What do you have to write?
public
Give me answer. Public
yeah
int
yeah
add int a
into B
int b. Next, integer c equal to a plus b. Return c. Then how to call
T
t dot
add
add. But return type is there, no? What do you have to write? Int
T
variable required, no? Int x equal to
T dot
t dot
add
add two numbers. Next, system dot out dot println x over. It is anonymous class, not lambda. Anonymous class. Okay. Save. File save. Save. Demo class loaded. Open brace executed. Main method called open brace executed. Here test. That means test interface loaded. In that one abstract method is there. One abstract method. It is a functional interface conformed with operating with JVM with compiler conformed. Now it is not test class object. One class created that class object. That class only anonymous class object. Anonymous class object created. That object assigned to test reference. Okay. Here add method. Now here after that t dot add. Then here 8342 comes here. Result copied in C. Return. Return value copied in X. Printed. Compilation. Execution. You are getting 125. Clear? This is anonymous class. This is anonymous class. Yesterday, I given one small code snippet to understand this code. This code, it will understand like this. Understanding purpose I given no? Class name, implements, test. Here, public int add int a int b like this. Int c equal to a plus b. Return c. Now, like this. After that, test t equal to new anonymous class object. Integer x equal to t dot add two numbers. System dot out dot println x. See, those who didn't understand this one, you can understand this one. Now it is normal code. But this is also you didn't understand means I cannot do anything. Okay. That is up to exception handling, already studied concepts. Okay. Now, here you observe. You observe, if you write like this, if you write like this, it is equivalent to like this. So, if you write like this, what will happen? One class created without class name. That class implements test interface. Okay. In that, this method overridden. Now, this class object created, subclass object, it is superclass reference. It is upcasting. With that, add method called here received value return. Return value copied in X. That X printed. Is it clear? This is you studied already. Here no new concept. There is no new concept. Now I'll explain new concept. That is lambda. I'll explain. You observe. How many lines of code is there? 21. 21. Now I'll write lambda. You observe. How to write lambda? Simple. You observe. New test not required. Open brace not required. Public int add not required. Okay, here data type not required. After that, one arrow. Open brace not required. Integer C not required. Return keyword not required. Open brace, close brace not required. Over. It is lambda. See, A comma B arrow A plus B. Then what will happen? See, T dot add 8342. 83 copied in A. 42 copied in B. 83 plus 42 result copied in X. Printed. See, now also same output comes. Previously, how many lines? 21. Now how many lines? 14. 7 lines reduced or no? But actually this is not reducing. Further, another reducing is there. This is you can pass as a parameter. You can reduce more. So this is called lambda expression. See, is there any class keyword? No. There is an anonymous class. There is an anonymous object. There is an anonymous method. Now class is there, method is there, object is there, everything within that one only. One line. A comma B arrow A plus B. Exact task. So that is lambda. Say difficult to understand, no? But with anonymous class, later I written like this. Easy to understand. But directly if I explain, difficult to understand. That is the reason first anonymous class I written, I removed. Okay. See, observe. This is here only anonymous class created. Here only anonymous object created. Here only anonymous method created. There is no class name. There is no method name. There is no object name. Everything nameless. All nameless. That is only a lambda. Got it? Example 1. Note on. Or program to demonstrate lambda expression. Otherwise, heading lambda expressions examples. It is first one. Lambda expressions examples. Is it completed? So if you write like this, here only class created, method created, object, everything done there only. See, just a comma b arrow a plus b. It is one lambda. Okay. Is it completed? Now you observe it is first category method with arguments with return value. Okay, with arguments with return value. Now I'll remove this. Second category method I'll write. Second category method. Okay. What is second category method? With arguments without return value. Without return value means what is the return type? Void. Void cube integer a. It is without return value. For this, first anonymous class how to answer. Anonymous class. Test t equal to new test. Next, what you write? Public void cube integer a. Next, int b equal to a into a into a. Next, what you write? Now return. Here void is no void. It doesn't return. Then system dot out dot println b. This method how to call? T dot cube of one number. Over no? File save. Compilation. Execution. Okay, cube printed. This is anonymous class. Okay. Now this already you studied. It is not new concept. Now new concept you observe. Here new test not required. Here brackets arrow. Okay. Okay. Actually here it is not required. It is not required. It is not required. Here data type not required. Here arrow. Open brace not required. Int p not required. Here system dot out dot println. Here only you have to print. And one more thing, one argument is there. Brackets also not required. Without brackets only works. Okay. See, this is not required. This is not required. Now this is lambda. See, a arrow system dot out dot println triple a. 5 if you pass, 5 received, 125 printed. Now also same output. See, this is new style of programming. This is new style of programming. So it is popular. Java 8 features are popular. Okay. It is example 2. Note on. Second one. Is it over? So it is second category method as lambda I written. Second category method as a lambda. Now, third category method, what is the category name? Without arguments and with return value. Say, suppose return type int, method name get, without argument, with return value. Okay. Now, first you answer uh, anonymous class. What we have tried? Test t equal to
new test
new test. Next,
public
public
int
int
get
get. Any one value you can return. Suppose return 10, one number directly you can return, possible. Next, how to call?
t dot
Return type is there, no?
int
What you tried?
int
Int
x
x equal to
t dot
t dot get. Only 3 members giving answer properly. Remaining all watching like a. No, 3 members only giving answers. Now, after this, system dot out dot println x. Okay, file save. You'll get output 10. Now here, this is how to make a lambda. You observe. First, new test not required. Open brace not required. Method name not required. Just empty brackets arrow. Return keyword not required. Just 10. Over. It is lambda. See, if you call like this, this method called return 10, 10 copied in X printed. Now also same output. Write this one.
this one कितना लेवा कितना ले जो
अरे ना लिख रहे हैं मेस्त्री माया करता बरस से बरस माया करता से
हाँ
बरस से बरस माया करता से पढ़ने को
हाँ
नहीं आज 3 रोज थी जाती में पैसे सब भी लिखूं
पैसे कैसे पढ़ते कैसे माना
आज 500 4500 करते माला बता खमी तो खमते ना कल 700 करते छज्जे ने डालिया करो कोर्स 670 करते 4 डाले थे समझ लेने का पैसे से सहा होते में आवत को डाले ना खाते कार कहते क्या भी सुखता नहीं हमारा देश करता नहीं देश करता क्या एक बरस के पैसे दिया नहीं मिस्त्री चोर मेरे पैसा काटता बैंक में मिस्त्री पाए रखना के क्या तो खाया घर बच गई क्या खाया
Is it completed?
क्या गया
Fourth category. What is fourth category? Without arguments, without return value. Say void show without arguments, without return value. Now
खाना को
I want to call.
उसने हटे किरा दे
What we have tried? first anonymous class.
pada thukana to haga
Test t equal to new test.
क्या जी
Next,
वैसा हो कि ना ना
public void show.
तो वैसा तो
Next,
पढ़ने से वाला ना
system dot out dot println something welcome.
तेरे में थुकाना को पेट में
Okay. Next,
ठीक है
t dot show. File save.
क्या भी करना को शायद
Compilation.
नहीं
Execution. See. Now, how to write lambda you observe?
बुद्धि लाना
No need to write new test. No need to write open brace. No need to write show method. Just arrow.
उन्होंने मालते का जो होगा
Here system dot out dot println. No need of close.
वो आती हीरा दिस
Over.
ओवर
खराब करना
Compilation, execution, same output. Right this one.
अभी को खाना को तो हमें सफर करना रे अल्लाह उन फिर था
Example 4.
एक दो तीन महीने सफर करते बस विना ना चलते ना मालूम होता ना जमी है तो मालूम होता किसी भी जमी तो भुआ है तो मालूम होता ये ना तो कैसा है बादल कैसा है इसे क्या कर जाने सफर करते हैं बहुत मीठा इस पेट में कोस के पड़ा शादी तो खराब होने से वाले सी नहीं तो नहीं चारा में थू आगू से मान ना हो है तो क्या ना पेट में कैसे डाले वो भना को बोलता हम ले कैसा तो बोलिंदे क्या भी खाना को तो
मैंने क्या कर सिया ने मैंने क्या कर सिया के मुंडा
क्या भी कर सीखे हम बच्ची देखा तो कैसे पालता हुआ है लेकिन हम क्या भी हम क्या भी कर सीखे हम डाव पाँव खरीद भी कर सीखे नहीं बच्ची देते तो माँ सताई जा मारी जा वैसा करते तो उसको कर लिया अभी इसका वो किसी से तपुगा कौन भी क्या भी करनी काले तुम क्या दिए नहीं पढ़न पड़ा डेढ़ जंगल है घर है दिए नहीं वो कोशिश करते हैं क्या भी करने को अच्छा शादी भी तक क्या भी करने को अभी 40 रोज अब पकड़ना
मासी को
बाद से कौन उन्हें बोलते हैं अभी नमुते ना तक तो नमुते
Is it completed?
शादी बाद बोलते भी खाली माया बटा लेकर किसे तुम उन्होंने धोलना नहीं नाच पढ़ना दोस्त छाछ बैगन को भार
See. Here I give an abstract method. You can write lambda. Possible no? See.
बच्ची क्या खाया क्या रे
See. Abstract method. Lambda expressions. Okay. Abstract methods and lambda expressions.
गनी कुछ दिन ना हम सब लगा दिया
Say.
क्या लगा ना खा
You have seen 4 abstract methods you have seen. First one. First one, what I given? Don't write. I'll give time for writing. Don't write. See, first one, integer add int a into b.
क्या बोले मर्जी
Then lambda a comma b arrow a plus b. Okay. Second one, void cube int a. Here a arrow a into a. Third one, int get. Here brackets 10. Okay. Next, void show. Here system dot. Okay. Here without return type no. System dot out dot println a. Here system dot out dot println. Welcome. You observe. Here, like this 4 you have seen. Okay. These are abstract method. These are lambda expressions. Like this I given. Now fifth method I'll give then directly lambda. Now anonymous class leave it. Now 4 examples you have seen. 4 examples you have seen. With that knowledge, directly lambda you have to answer. Okay. Fifth one, integer max which takes integer a, integer b. What we have tried lambda.
A comma B.
What we have tried?
A comma B.
What is that?
A comma B.
A comma b
Yes.
arrow.
A greater than B.
What happened? A comma b arrow. After that,
A.
try to answer. See, one person given a greater than b. A greater than b means it returns true or false. But return type what is there? Integer. Wrong, no? It is wrong. Ternary operator. Studied, no? A greater than b. Question mark A colon B. That's it. Ternary operator is studied, no? Question mark colon. See here. Integer max into A into B. Like this. Okay. Here you observe. What you have tried? Test T equal to A comma B arrow A greater than B question mark A colon B. Then how to call? Int x equal to T dot max. Two numbers you can pass. System dot out dot println x. Over. See, file save. Compilation. Execution. See. Now here into max into A comma into B. Here A comma B arrow A greater than B question mark A colon B. Now what will happen? T dot max 8342. 83 copied in A. 42 copied in B. 83 greater than 42. True or false? True. Then A value copied in X. Printed. So like this you can write now. A comma B arrow A greater than B question mark A colon B. Okay. But not only this, one more way also you can write. One more way I'll show you, you observe. One more way. Here, if more than one statement is there, arrow, open brace, close brace, you can write. It is valid. Here, if A greater than B, return A, else return B. It is also valid. Now, but return keyword required, braces required. If you want to write if else statement like this, see now also valid. Compilation, execution. It is another way, one more way. Then what you can do here, you can write, what you can write? A comma B arrow. After that, open brace. After that, open brace. If A greater than B, return A. Else return B. If you write here, suppose If you write open brace, close brace, if you write open brace, close brace, then whatever you want you can write. Same, normal. Open brace, close brace remaining normal. Now, here open brace, close brace, if you write, all possible. For loop, while loop, do while, everything. But like this one line, if you want to write, all are not possible. Now Turner finding maximum of two number, Turner is there, okay. But other not possible. At that time, open brace, close brace, you write whatever you want. It is normal. Okay. Like this you can write. One more way also is there. See. Suppose what I'll do, you observe. I'll remove this complete. I'll remove this complete. You observe. You already studied Java library. Java P, java.lang.math. One class is there. Mathematics class. Here. Is this method accessible? Yes. How do you know? Public. Is it instance method or class method? Class method. How do you know? Static. How many ways to access? Two ways. What are those? Two ways or four ways? Four ways. What are those? Directly, class name, object reference. How many ways not recommended? Two ways. What are those? Object reference not recommended. Now when we can use directly? Same class. When we have this class name? Max method in which class? Math class. My class which class? Demo class. Can I access directly? No. Then how to access? Class name. So A comma B arrow math dot max A comma B over. I am calling my max method, this method, but this method calls math max method, like that. See, file save, compilation, execution. It is also valid. So here this is lambda now. So what I can do here? A comma B arrow math dot max A comma B. So either use ternary operator or use if condition or use Java library. All are valid. Got it? No. Right is all. Is it completed? Say, like this also you can write, like this also you can write, like this also you can write. Possible. Like if you write like this, so many possible library. And even if you write like this, open brace, close brace, n number of logics you can write. Now, perfect number, Armstrong number, strong number, complete all logics you can write. Possible. Okay. If you write open brace, close brace, you can write whatever you want. And if you are writing library, anything you can write. But this type only few possible, all not possible. One line only, all not possible. Some are not possible. In that situation, you can go for two remaining ways, either this way or this way. Suppose I'll give some other. You observe. 6 1 integer max into a into b into c. Then outright answer.
A comma B.
Three variables are there.
A comma B.
6 1. Answer.
A comma B.
Suppose like this or like this. Answer.
A comma B. C.
A comma B comma C. Arrow.
Arrow. A greater than B.
What did you write?
A greater than B.
Conditional operator possible or not possible?
Possible.
Give me answer. Conditional operator possible or not possible? Possible. What did you write? A comma B comma C. Arrow. Next. A greater than B. After that,
Colon.
which one? You studied, you forgot, I cannot do anything. A greater than B, logical and A greater than C, question mark A, colon, B greater than C, question mark B, colon C. Conditional operator in another conditional operator, possible or not? Now, here, how to call int x equal to T dot max, 3 numbers. System dot out dot println x. Now 83, 84, 99, 42. Which is max? 99. Say. How it is coming, you observe. First, these three. 84, 99, 42. 84, 99, 42. 84 greater than 99. False. 84 greater than 42. True. False and true. Then false. True means this one. False means this one. Again, 99 greater than 42. True. B. B value copied in X. Printed. Now here A greater than B and A greater than C question mark A colon B greater than C question mark B colon C. This is you can write. Note 6 1. Did you understand this one? Yes or no? Here condition. If it is true, this one. If it is false, this part, like this. Here, true means this part. Now, false means this part. See, here it is condition. In a condition is true, A executed. Condition is false, another conditional operator executed. Again, what will happen here? True, B. If it is false, C. See here, true. It is false. First, three numbers. What are the numbers I given? 83, 99, 42. Here, 83, 49, 99, 42. 83 greater than 99. False. 83 greater than 42. True. False and true. False. False means it comes here. Okay. False means it comes here. Again, 99 greater than 42. True. This comes here. This value written. The written value stored in X. If you want, you can write like this. If you want, you can write this one. Those who didn't understand, you can write like this. Condition true means first part. Condition false means second part. Like this, evaluated. So this condition executed, this condition is going to return true or false. True means true expression, false means false expression. But in a false expression also conditional operator. Again, true means true expression, false means false expression. That type executed. Now, is it over? Now, suppose without conditional operator, how to write? Without conditional operator. Not over. Now, without conditional operator, it is one more way, this type. Now, what we have to write answer? Or, now what do you have to write? A, comma, B, comma, C, arrow, open brace, here, if A greater than B and A greater than C, then
System dot
return A. Else if B greater than C, return B. Else return C. Okay, like this. Now it is one more way. You can write like this. Write this one.
पार्टी వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఒకసారి पार्टी రాకుండా क्या तो वही ना पार्टी आना सब सताले खाते सब ना
क्या है
क्या है हम बच्चे को खाना खाना खा दो पालना ना सताल में
वो
कासु में से फोन कर को
चल लगा थे
कदरी से बात को मार तो फोन कर छता केस रखी सका केस रखी को मैं हम बच्चा का खड़ा तो नो
सभी चलते चलते
नाना बच्चा उसका काम कर रहा करंट काम मैंने 20,000 दे दे वो कार डाल
कितना 20
बीस दे दे ऊपर को 100 की 200 की आते तो रोजवारी 200 की नहीं सा कर ले खड़ा
कई लड़ी तुम्हें असलू
कई लड़े में क्या है चुकी चुकी लड़ी डाले बच्चों ना वो द्वार बाहर को भाने द्वार द्वार बाहर को भान तो हम बच्चे क्या कराएगा ये साइड ना लाके मट्टी काट से मत तो हकाल थे ना रोड आपको वो मट्टी सद्दाम ना करके ना स्टार्ट आ जाते हो रोज सद्दाम ना करके ना करता मत गाड़ी वो आड़े ही लोगों को इंग्ला का घर सामने रह गया ना बड़ा उनो नन्ना सो गाड़ी बड़ा सो गाड़ी दो गाड़ी आड़े है आड़े तो हम मेटला पोसी जाते आदमी भाई कहीं की वो गाड़ी आड़े है या मेटला पोसी जाते आदमी कहीं जोर क्या हुआ कहीं तो
Is it over? So if A greater than B and A greater than C, if it is false, A is not greater, then B or C, that's it. So you can write like that also. See what you can do, open brace, close brace. If A greater than B and A greater than C, written A, else if B greater than C, written B, else written C, semicolon. Now also same output, compilation, execution. Clear? Now suppose math.max method I want to use. Now what we have tried, math.max. What you tried? Math.max A comma B comma C. Is it right? Is it right? No. That max method, how many parameters? 2 only. You cannot write 3. Then I want to use. Possible or not possible? Think. Take your own time, answer. Extend. Nested. What do you write? Math.max of here already A comma B is there, comma C. That's it. Now what will happen? First it will find the maximum of A comma B. Okay, A comma B. One greater than comes, no? That one and C. That result stored in X. See, now also you will get a same output. First what will happen? 8499 copied here. 8499 which is greater? 99. 99 and 42. This will return. Then 99. Nesting. So like this also. Not done. A comma B comma C arrow math.max. Again math.max. A comma B comma C. Math.max in the brackets. Again math.max A comma B comma C. Nesting. See, today only lambda expressions you studied. Today only lambda expressions. Okay. Tomorrow again this knowledge required for tomorrow class. tomorrow class, predefined functional interfaces I'll explain. Tomorrow class. We'll see continuation tomorrow.
हाँ हमें भाई ना खाने तिमरी से हमें 2 हाथे का खाने तलिए सब जगह हम पढ़ता हूँ माचू कल सी मीटिंग हो पड़ा ना
पूरा जिला ना खोला क्या लगा था कि खोला
सब भी चाकू में डाले मार डाले बुना बच्चे ना दुगा खाने डाले वो देते हम लेते सभी टीवी दिखा लो पालो इधर केसर डाले आता तो केसर गोश्त साला
मैं कहाँ जाती विचार जाती ना आपको
माई नाट जाती बरो जाओ मैं बरो मैं बुलाती
आए लगे नाट का होगा थी मुझे दिन सारी नार होगा हमारे चौथे जो रांगा दरबार इतने नहीं नाट
पीन को तो जाएंगे इधर तो जाएंगे वो